How to create different versions of nodes in Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I created a composition. I added a star shape and a background to it, and animated the star. Here I want to change the color of the background and star with versions to see which style is best for me. Select the background node, open up Inspector panel, and click on the Versions button. Here we have 6 versions that we can change. Select the version 2 and change the background color to another color. Select version 3 and choose a 4 color instead of a solid color. Now we have these 3 versions of the background node which we can switch between them and see which one is the best for us. We can use versions in other nodes as well. So, here I choose my star shape, click on the Versions button, and change the color. Now I can easily switch between versions of these 2 nodes to see, for example, which background is the best for this orange star. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.